fourth presenter is Sadie Kim. Her speech is about the monkey makes noise.
Hello, my name is Kim Nayan. The monkey has a rabbit's nose. The rabbit is angry. The cat looks at her hat. I am very angry. The mole wears a necktie. The monkey breathes a mousy mirror. Birds sleep in the nest. The monkey make a noise. The monkey don't make noise. The mole and the rabbit are angry. The magician has it in the nest. The monkey gives the hat to the magician. The monkey gives the magician's bag. The monkey make a knot. The monkey made the mouse mirror. They are very happy. Thank you.